Hello, my name is Johnny Shirley. The reason I'm doing this video is, one, I want to take documentation on this project. I bought this Mustang for a very cheap price, and a lot of people say that I got ripped off, but we'll see. I only paid $150 for it, for a 1968 Mustang. It don't have a motor or transmission. Had the inline six in it, and automatic transmission. Don't have that now. It's gonna need a lot of work. But I want to show everybody. I'm gonna have my cameraman come in a minute, and I want to show everybody how this is the first day of the Mustang on how it looks now. So yeah, I bought this Mustang for 150 bucks. So let's see what you guys think, man. Let's check it out. This tire didn't come with it. So, hold on one second. But this is the Stang right here. Obviously, it's gonna need some help, but. Custom trunk release. Probably need a tetanus shot now. As you can see, it's gonna need some help right here and right here. And the floor pans are out. I have the tail light, the other tail light. You see, I just wanted to show you. Has a big rust hole there. The trunk is probably gonna be shot. I'm not sure. It could be saved, but I'm not sure. But y'all tell me what y'all think.
Yeah, he's coming up. He's right there.
So after I almost died from getting cut, and I actually started feeling like a zombie, so I went and got some sanitizer, put it on my hand, and now I got these, so I'm protected now. What I want to show you is that of course tires, they're not that good anymore, but you got this cancer right here, goes all the way through. This thing's kind of solid, well, not really solid, but better than that. And you got the trim piece, and if you can hear, that's not so bad. But cameraman, like, look right here, you got this little, it's not holes though, it's just chipping. So that may, I don't know, that may be all right. Well, except for this part right here. And the roof right here is not bad. I mean, it's got a bad spot over there, but let's see if we can open, oh, can't open the door. Let's see. Can't open the door. Christine don't want to let us in. All right, come around here and look right here. So the door may be salvageable. The fender, not really sure. Mustang. Obviously the tire's not going to be salvageable. So now come around here and you get a good shot of the front end. Now that, my friend, is a sad, sad Mustang. But the reason I got this car, one, it's 150 bucks. And for all you naysayers out there that says, oh, you got ripped off, oh, blah, blah, blah. No, I did not. Because I could take it right down the road to the scrapyard and get $300 for it. So yeah, just the way it is right now. So no, I didn't get ripped off. Only way I get ripped off if I spend $5,000 on this thing and it's worth nothing. That's the only way I'm getting ripped off. But this is a father and son project. My son is the camera operator, and that's the biggest reason I'm doing this right here. Spend time with my boy, us trying to build and do this thing together, slowly but together, because as a typical, father and son, we don't have a lot of money, hardly any, but this, thankfully, this Mustang right here, if I bought everything for it, the body wise now, it'd be around $4 grand from what the internet's telling me, not unless it's lying, but we'll see. But let's look at the this side right here. This is jammed, so I can't really lift that. The hood's trashed. Look at the hood. The hood's trashed. But so I'm not really worried about the hood. The hood's going to go in the salvage yard for sure. Going to the scrap shop. But look right here. This right here. This is right here. This is gone, but that's replaceable. That's nothing. That's very easy. This right here has a little worried right there. It's got a little hole right in this. This may be could be fixed. I'm not sure. We're gonna, like I said, this is the first video. This is day one of how this car looks as I bought it. So we're gonna do a lot of things of like taking it apart, going to, you know, taking everything apart, going to sandblasting and stuff like that. But this fender, I mean, it's probably going to be no good, or it may be able to be fixed. You got a couple holes there, not real sure. You got a hole there. Now this door's trash. One, you got damage, and you got that right there. That's trash. But, oh man, oh, Christine let us in. Christine is loving us now. It's not really Christine because it's not a Fury for one. But this is how the interior looks. This car has been sitting, that I know of, for well over 20 years. Look at the headliner, if you could see it. Hold on. If you can see, the headliner really isn't that bad for sitting for well over 20, maybe 30 years. The seats aren't too terribly bad. You know, the floor is shot. It's gonna need new flooring. As you can, I don't know if you can see, but it's gonna need new flooring. Go ahead and shut it, buddy. But here's that hole I was telling you about in the hood, or the top. You can put your pinky in it. You know, I don't know. This is another bad spot right here. You know, I don't know, because I'm not a body guy. I don't know if that's salvageable, if they could patch it up and make it look good, or make, I don't want it just to look good. I want it to feel good, run good, and be safe. So, but we're gonna see on how all this is. Day one for the Mustang, on how I bought it and how it sits. We haven't done anything to this Mustang at all, except for now we're looking at it. We're taking a big gander on it and making sure this is going to be the mountain we're going to climb. Blake, do you say so? You think we're going to do it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see my son? He says yes, and whatever he says goes. So we're going to try to make this Mustang. We're going to try to save a 68. I can't let this 1968 Classic Mustang go to waste. So it's going to be some time. It's going to take some money. Maybe a few donations, so it'd be great. But we're going to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because I've almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe, because I want you to see the process of this. The next thing we're going to do, not today, because one, it's cold. Two, we're gonna clean it up. I know it's, you know, why are you gonna clean it up? It looks like shit. We're gonna clean it up to see where we are on all of it. So we're gonna come, I'm gonna pressure wash the whole thing. We're gonna vacuum out the whole interior, and then we're gonna go from there. We're gonna go from there and just see what it looks like clean. And then we're gonna start taking it apart. Throw away like the pieces for the hood. We're gonna save all the parts for the hood that we're gonna do. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. We can't let this thing go to waste. So we're gonna rock this thing out, man. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you get to see all the videos and all that. In case you miss one or anything, you can hit the bell, and that way it tells you, hey, there's a new video. See the Mustang saving the 68. Thank you. Bye.